my gas bottle here on the table, and now I have a rust ring on my table. It is nuts. Alright, what's next? Here, this thing messed up. You know, I had this thing that for my water hose, for my garden hose, the nozzle, and it's stuck. And I don't know why. There is no reason for it to be stuck. I have no idea how to fix it and what went wrong with it. Pain in the butt. Yeah, I got the new one here. This is from the Harbor Freight. It's called Niagara. Niagara, trademarked. 8-pattern heavy-duty hose nozzle. Rear thumb control lever, adjustable water flow. Unique patterns, jet, cone, flat, full, mist, shower, soaker, angled. Rear thumb control to easily switch on, off or adjust water flow with one hand. Premium metal construction. Soft grip rubber handle designed for maximum comfort. And then they repeat everything on the back. Here, there is a barcode. Let's free this from its package thing, and then we're gonna try it. So let's try this. Right, so when you have an iPhone, you can get real close and you can see all those nozzles. This one here, this triangular, doesn't really look like it was made super good. Let's see from another angle. Does this look to you like it would spray okay? This is like a little plastic weird. I think it's not in the shape as it was intended. But okay, and there's a lot of holes all the way around. I don't know how that goes. We will find out. It has here names on it. Soaker, cone, jet, angled, shower, full, flat, mist. And you can see there is a triangle in the middle. The triangle, so that's where you set it. Mist is that one. Soaker is what? There's no nozzle. Cone is that nozzle. Jet is that nozzle, just a hole. Angled is this triangular thing. Okay, shower is that one. It's weird, right? It sticks out a lot. Full is a bigger hole. And then flat. Oh yeah, see, it's rectangular. Mist was that one, where we started with. Did we, right? Alright, yeah, that's how it looks like. And then have a look here at this thing here. This is the valve on off. It feels smooth right now. We don't know for how long, for how many years and days. And then here's the connection. This is aluminum inside. This may corrode over time. And then the seal is in there, the rubber gasket to keep it from leaking. Alright, so I hope you liked this, and let me show you the spray patterns. Let's see how this goes. We start out with a mist. Oh, I think that gets that dog wet. That dog is in the way. Oh, we are in the way. Oh my god, the wind is coming at us. Holy cow. We go to soaker. Oh, yeah, look at that. Then we have the cone. That's true, it does a cone. A jet. Oh, do you see how far that goes? Amazing. Then we have an angled one. That was the one where I thought, wow, this is weird. shower. Comes out the outer holes. Can we see that? Full. Oh, it has air in it. Look at that. And then flat. Oh, it's a flat spray. See? Okay. And then mist again. This is how we started. Oh, it's coming at us. That is clearly like Niagara Falls. When you sit there by the falls, that's how much it sprays. So it earned its name. All right. I hope you like this one. You see how far this goes, and I do hope I see you in the next video. Can I blow that ball away? No, I can't.